many people in Vietnam don't see me. They want to see me, they cannot. Many heaven beings want to come here, sit here like you, but cannot. Many heaven beings want to change your place with them. Want to sit here in front of me, they cannot. Because they don't have enough merit. You've done good things in the past life. So you meet me, okay? How many Vietnamese can meet me? But I'm happy that at least you listen to me and you still believe in me. That's very good. I'm happy, yeah? That you're still here, that you still want to see me and you still believe in my teaching. I thank you for that. Thank you for that. I really appreciate that. Because many people also left, don't eat vegan anymore, and don't want to see me or don't believe. So you are still my good disciples. Okay? Try to be more good. All right? All right. Okay? Be more good. More fine. Just be good. Just be quiet. Meditate. The more you meditate, more you understand. No need to ask me anything later. You say, oh, Master, I know. I can teach you.
I'm no married. I'm concentrate on spiritual.
Then it's good. Very good. I want to wake you up. Okay? I do love you very much. That's why I call you back. I say you go down meditate before I change my mind. It's good. It's good. Now you know. Okay? Be good. Okay? Life is short. Okay? Quickly meditate, quickly pray, because sometimes if we don't practice well, may become disaster, maybe the world is kaput, anything. You try hard. It's not easy, but try. Okay? But I thank you for still believing in me, still coming and want to see me. That's why I open the door, let you in, give you ice cream, give you food. How many people go there? No, nobody can come to my house. Do you know where I live?
No.
Thank you, Mom.
I still think you are still okay. Yeah? Still okay. You must think lucky. You're lucky. Lucky, very lucky. Nhiều người Việt Nam đâu được về đâu hết. Nhà nghèo nó đâu được qua Mỹ, qua Đức làm việc này kia, thấy không? Mình mạnh khỏe nữa, rồi biết tu, ăn chay nữa. Tốt lắm rồi, tốt. Ok? Tốt lắm. Ok ha? Để xuống. Chưa phải. Chưa phải. Hơi điểm thi sai lại. Bây giờ昨天给我那个 cream 在哪里？走了。房子里啊，我在这里，他不去看我。然后我说我师傅不让他看，我要跟他做这些。啊，谢谢。
身法好美哦。
Thank you for running fast. You look small, but you're fast. Thank you. See you later, okay? I will come back soon. I will tell you when. Okay? I will call and tell you. Oh, no. Don't break my heart. You working at home? Or still?
Working.
Where are you?
Catering vegan food.
Wow.
Yes.
In Robin Hood?
No stores.
In the store?
No, I cater.
I know. You do what?
Cater for parties, fairs.
Oh, private?
Yes.
Do you have a lot of customers? A lot of clients?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Just started.
Who are you catering for? Flower, just normal flower. And then appropriate yeast is
Oh, baking soda. Oh, sorry.
yeah, baking bread flour, normal flour, and then yeast. Yeah. Okay. Then some soya cream.
Soy cream.
Yeah. Of course, first you rub in some butter. No, vegan butter.
Yeah.
And then put some soy cream until it's really like mushy, not hard, not paste, but still kind of a little bit wet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then you put them in oh, not yet, sorry. And sweetener, sweeten, whatever you use, yeah, brown sugar or not, or agave, or stevia, or whatever you use, appropriately, yeah. And then, okay, flour, yeast, sugar, a little pinch of salt, okay. And then,
Soya cream.
not yet, I'm sorry. Rub in butter, vegan butter. I thought I have some pocket. I don't know. Where's my bag? Come here. Okay, and you, okay, flour, yeast, sugar, salt. Mix them together first, and then rub in butter. Yeah, and then you cut maybe 1 orange or 2 oranges. You chop very fine, or you put in blender, whatever you do. Not blender is good also, or you can chop so that they still have some chunks in it, little chunks. And you mix it in, and you squeeze orange juice, leftover orange juice in it, and you peel 1/10 of the skin without the white, really thin skin outside. You rub it in, okay? And now you mix well already, and then you put in soy cream, yeah? And if it's not mushy enough, you put a little bit soy milk. And then you pour it in, cup, and bake for, maybe 20 minutes, 15, 20, depends. I forgot how long, I just have to look at my recipes. This is my own recipe. Delicious. Cupcakes. Of course, you can put chocolate. Yeah? That's the cupcake. It's really, really soft. Really, really like cupcake. It's not hard,
Is there any way I can get the ingredients?
The ingredients?
Yeah, with the measurements.
You just have to try it.
Okay, I try.
I forgot. I left it in another house so far away from here.
It's okay. I try.
Yeah, I know you will know.
Yeah.
And then if the texture after you cook, if you make a mistake one time, then next time you know. If you already know how to cater, it's easy. I know the measurement, I just don't have it here.
It's okay.
And then if I have it, I would give it to you. It's far away. About 12 hours drive from here. If drive fast enough, yeah. Otherwise, 13 hours. I don't know. It's just so far away. But you try, because I also didn't have measurements when I first did it. I just based it on intuition, and I just mix it, and then, it's delicious. My God, it's like the cupcake.
It's fluffy too, right?
And fluffy too,
Okay.
and it rises up just like the cupcake. Then a children's birthday party, they love it. And you can put chocolate, this liquid chocolate. You pour it in. Instead of too much soy milk, you put chocolate in it, chocolate liquid, or you melt chocolate. Just make it really mushy.
Okay.
So you can almost like scoop it and put it in the cup, because if it's too hard, then the texture it won't be so puffy like that.
Understand.
Yeah. And you have to mix it enough amount. It depends. I remember, I think I used 200 grams of flour, and then 1 orange.
Okay.
Yeah, with a little peels in it, so it gives it a kick, And whatever leftover orange juice from that I put it in. When you chop it, the juice come out, you put it all in, and then the rest. Instead, you can use chocolate already melted, or chocolate in a box. Put it in, or you can. What else did I do? That's it. These are two of my favorites. Yeah. Otherwise, you can have a lot of soy cream and some soy milk to make it more easy to pour. And then it will pop. Depends on the yeast. Don't put too much yeast. It will pop too much. And then it's not good either. Yeah. You have to know the right amount. I forgot. I didn't bring it. I never thought I would bake or do anything again. Yeah. I just do it spontaneously, and I use what I have. And instead of that, just soy milk and a little soy cream, just for the texture to be puffy but smooth. Yeah. If no soy milk, then it's too hard.
No oil, right?
no oil.
Okay, that's
You
good.
have butter already.
Okay, that's right.
Vegan butter, yeah.
Right.
The recipe is the same. It's just the flavor is different. And then, instead of chocolate, you can put in nuts.
Right.
Yeah, but you have to have the right amount of soy cream. Like for the kitchen, for cooking, that's soy cream.
Soy cream.
Cream, liquid soy cream, not soy milk, and not soy cream powder.
I got it.
Yeah, and then the texture is very smooth. Yeah, you can also put some yogurt, plain yogurt,
Okay.
in it. Instead, then it's also more smooth. It depends on what you have. Okay. Otherwise, it's not.
Okay.
Thank you, Master.
I baked it only one time,
Okay.
so I forgot. That was like Christmas,